Make a great choice today with 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, front floor mats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.